mixed up about you. It's having the effect on me, pulling and directing me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. And no, I can't find no reason to explain the way that I feel. I remember things being clearer at one time. Things were more real. I'm all mixed up. I'm all mixed up about. I'm all mixed up about you. It's having the effect on me, pulling and directing me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Not looking for sympathy, Lord, I'm just frightened by this apathy. Left footsteps way back of me on a narrow street of stone. I'm all mixed up about you. I'm all mixed up about you. And if time will answer all questions, then perhaps a film will be shown. Everyone could mail order tickets. You could sell a lot of shirts for the last picture show. Babe, I'm all mixed up. I'm all mixed up about. I'm all mixed up about you. It's like something is testing me, pulling and directing me. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. This is going to be a guitar lesson for All Mixed Up. It's by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It's off the Let Me Up, I've Had Enough album. I always like this track. I have a guitar in standard, we're going to get into it. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I am using a capo on the 4th fret. I don't know if Tom and the band used any capos on this one. I'm not really sure. But for voicings, for the beginner guitarist, I think it's a little easier to play with a capo on this one. So I'm going to capo this on the 4th fret, and I will identify all the chords with the capo on 4. So we're going to start with that nice little E chord, just an E, and you're just going to add on the A string, the little bluesy, to an A. I'm all mixed up, I'm all mixed up about, I'm all mixed up about you. So just that E to an A, right? Just play that over and over. And then the next part, we're going to go to a C sharp minor. I'm going to play that, again, calling the chords with the capo. C sharp minor shape at the 4th fret with the capo, bar chord, to an E, to an A, to a B, and I'm usually going to do a sus4 there, B sus4 to a B, back to C sharp minor, to an E, A, back to that B, or B sus4, whichever you prefer, and then you're back to the E. I'm all mixed up, I'm all mixed up, I'm all mixed up about you. And now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now the only other part, you're in the A, little rock and roll A, right? Then you're gonna go to an A minor, to a G, to a D, to a C, back to A minor, to a G, to a C, to a D, E, then you're back to A. About you, I'm all mixed up, I'm all mixed up about, I'm all mixed up about you. That's all you really need to know, folks. You can play along to the record. Again, I have a capo on the 4th fret that's optional, but I think for voicings it makes it pretty easy to play it that way. But play it however you want. Have fun with this, and hopefully I'll see you next Saturday night for another Tom Petty lesson. Until then, I hope you do well, stay safe, and take care. Good night.